So one of the last drives in the K20, because I'm planning on pulling this thing out and dropping the JDM K24A in. Stated when I was gonna get to 200K that I wanted to pull the motor and either rebuild it or swap something else in it. Shout out to the cousin Josh and his Accord. Clutch pedals clicking, gears are acting weird. It is 32 degrees out right now. Excited to swap this K24 into here. I keep thinking about it. I'm still waiting on parts. This thing revs, man. Got a little TL right here chilling. About to run it, bro. Josh is in his 24.
Don't let any of these fools pass
us. Yo, these people are getting so mad, dude. Dude, this thing is just like, it wants to be driven tonight, man. Like, for almost 200K, guys, like, I'm gonna round it up to 200K. This thing feels amazing. Like, beautiful VTEC crossover. It still puts a smile on my face every single time. Like, if you guys have ever driven an SI, especially in 8th gen, when you hit that VTEC crossover point where it's making its peak power, like, it just makes you want to smile. It's just such a good time. And you know, there was times where I thought about selling this car, and I'm really glad that I didn't, because I think I would have regretted my decision, you know, just because I was trying to make profit. But I mean, I love this car, honestly. And people ask me, what do you want right now? Like, what do you want for a car if you were to get one? Just don't have an answer for them, because I'm content. You know, it's just the 8th gen is just one of the last, when you guys say like last truest SI breeds, honestly, when I wanted a Honda and when I got into Hondas, I always told myself, dude, I love VTEC, the crossover sound, and I want something that revs up to 8 grand. And that is what this car offers right off the factory floor. So it's a freaking blast. I mean, I'm still smiling right now from that little pull back there. And my tune is off. Like, this car's not even running a full 100%. It's, you know, capable power or peak performances, you know, and right now I have stock intake. If I had a cold air on this thing right now, oh my God, with the header, I don't even know how this thing would be, but let me tell you, I'm sure this thing would be really, really fun, man. More fun than it is now, you know? VTEC at 43. A lot of you guys message me, yo, Gerb, you inspire me with the 8th gen. I'm glad I can inspire you guys, because when you get behind the wheel of one of these cars, it's more than just a Civic. Like, yeah, it has that Honda Civic vibe or whatever, that whole name, but I mean, it feels like it's more than a Civic, honestly, especially when you go tune and some bolt-ons, like, turns this little thing into a little monster. And to me, I'd rather have something that's a lot of fun over something with like insane horsepower and, you know, worrying about having to brake all the time. And I would like to think that this is the last night that I'm actually going to be taking this car out until I perform the swap. So this is the last fun night that I'm going to be having with this car, and then I plan on dropping the K24 in very, very soon. So a lot of you guys are asking. I'm hoping to have it in. Hopefully I'll have the whole K24 reassembled by like early February, maybe March or April or something, and then I can have my K20 on the side. I don't know if I'm going to sell this motor. I have such a good time with it, and I might just rebuild it. So we'll see what happens when that time comes. Do a little U-ey. Do a second gear. Apologies, I'm speeding. First gear. Oh my God, that is so much fun, man. I was spinning at 7 grand when I hit second. When I punched first, I was spinning at 7 grand. I hit second, spinning, and then I finally gripped at like 75. Got all my K24 parts, obviously. And then my package just came in, guys, from 8080. That being said, I'm just going to relax in for the night. I got to check a few things, my investments and stuff. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. That was pretty much with 200K on the K20. K20, there will always be a place in my heart for it. I'm just ready to try a different platform in terms of more torque purposes. It's not that I hate the K20 and I'm tired of it. At times I forget what that car like can do potential wise. It's just so much fun. So be sure to give me some love, guys. Give me some likes. Drop all your comments down below. How many miles are on your guys' cars? If you got 8th gens, whatever car it is. K24 parts are coming, guys. I'm still waiting on a few things. I have my head right there. Obviously, I've been doing some work to this. I put the new motion springs in there. And then coming over here, got some Ktuned stuff. And then we got some other parts here. Shout out to the homie for sending me the K24 mount. Just wanted to make a video for you guys in terms of when is the swap going to be done. I can't really give you a time right now because, you know, between waiting for parts and weather and everything, I'm just kind of like, it's delaying the process. The goal is to get the K24 all reassembled. I'm going to shoot for probably by the end of January, early February. And then I would like to have the swap done ultimately, you know, before the spring, before the car season, so I can get out there, maybe do some races, reviews, and POV runs with the K24. I'll see all of you in the next video. Peace.